Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Renault Traffic minibus, and I'm going to show you what I've got from my two new Plaxton Premier 350 coaches, R4 ONH and R5 ONH. Yes, they're the real thing, and you'll see the move before this video. So yeah, and obviously some other bus stuff, which two I got from Asda today and one I got from Tesco. So yeah, let's do the unboxing of the Renault Traffic and minibus first. So here's the package. I think this is what it is. Yes. So this is quite tiny. So here is the Renault Traffic minibus, as you can see. Quite a little neat vehicle, as you can see. I'll open it up for you. There is also a van, but obviously I'll probably just sell that, to be honest. How the hell? Oh, there we go. I will do a proper tour of R4 ONH and R5 ONH. Maybe tomorrow or maybe on Sunday. I'm going down there for definite on Sunday to clean them. So yeah, I can't get off the base, so I'll have to unscrew it. But I'll do that later. So yeah, here's the Renault Traffic minibus from Carorama, or however you pronounce that. It's a sort of a yellowy colour, and yeah, pretty neat vehicle. Moving on, we've got a toy sort of like London New Route Master stroke Boris bus, stroke new bus for London. It's loosely based off of it, but it's not meant to be it. It's just a toy. Still a pretty neat thing. This is one of the ones I got from Asda. There's the front, the side, the back, the other side, the roof, and the bottom. Moving on, we have the Tonka monster truck school bus thing. That's also screwed on, so I have to show you it later. And yeah, this one also comes from Asda as well. And yes, the stop sign is open, as you can see. So pop that into the side, throw that there. So moving on to what I got from R5 and R4. So starting off with the route signs. Yes, they did leave some route signs in there, and I'm very happy about a couple of them. Well, all of them I should say, but there's some that are my favourite. So starting off with the 8/9 route. It goes to Chipping Camden School apparently. And yeah, here's the front, and nothing on the back except for the reflection. Moving on. Obviously this is one of my favourites, the 154 route. And for some reason it says CB07MTB. I think they put that in the wrong bus probably, but oh well, mine now. And yeah, if you're wondering what route's on the back, it is the 153, which also goes to my school. GB06 used to do that route quite a lot before it was sold. And yeah. Moving on, we have another 154 sign and obviously the 153 sign. But as you can see, it don't say CB07 on the top because I think this was R5 sign, I don't know. But it was in R5. Moving on, we have a 156 route. Now this was from R4 ONH, not R5 ONH. Yeah, no idea where this goes. I might ask my bus driver Vince on Tuesday if he's there. Don't know. So yeah, 156 route sign, and there's nothing on the back. Moving on to the last big sign is the 159 sign, and on the back is the 152 sign. So yeah, pretty cool. And the two other little route signs is the number 6 sign, which goes to Chipping Camden School, and And on the back is the number 8 sign, which also goes to Chipping Camden School apparently. Moving on, we have another sign, which is the Route 2 sign. And no idea where that goes. I think it goes to Chipping Camden. And on the back it says Route number 1, but it's just a little drawing. So yeah. Also, I will stick these up in my room at some point, and duplicate 154 sign I'll probably turn around and put the 153 sign on instead. Moving on, we've got 3 here. We've got a tachograph from R5 ONH. All these tachographs are from R5. So here's the front, and here's the back. I'll have to unbend them at some point. Here's the other one. Here's the front, and here's the back. And here's the other one. Here's the front, and here's the back. The last thing that I got from the coaches, obviously being R5 ONH, is the driver's defect report. I haven't had a look at this yet. Oh, this has got loads of different registers. I'll look at that properly later. One for V9, one for V92. Oh, this is cool. I think they put this in the wrong vehicle as well, but still pretty cool. Yeah, I'll have a proper look at that later. So yeah, that's all the stuff from R5 ONH and R4 ONH, and yeah. Here is the thing that I've got from Tesco's today, and yeah, here's the front of the box and here's the back. And obviously the only ones I'm going to keep out of this is obviously the bus. And I'm going to sell the rest, except for the packaging, because it's got the bus on it. And yeah. Now I think it's time for the thumbnail, peeps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And thank you guys for watching, and peace out.